This is the all-new next-generation Ford Ranger Raptor. Now, the Ford Ranger Raptor has been so ingrained into the mindsets of Philippine car culture that when it was removed from Ford's website last year, everyone panicked. And everyone wanted to know when Ford Philippines would be releasing the all-new next-generation one. Well, we've got one right here. We're going to do a first look of this bad boy, and I'm going to tell you why this is one of the most anticipated cars of 2023. This is the first look of the next generation Ford Ranger Raptor. All right, so we couldn't decide which of these Ranger Raptors we're gonna shoot, so we're gonna showcase all of them so that we can show you the colors that are available for this model. So you got Code Orange, you got Arctic White, you got Absolute Black, you've got Conquer Gray, and of course, Blue Lightning. So we're gonna take the advantage to describe the exterior of the Ford Ranger Raptor while it's in its natural form. Dirty as all outdoors. So as you can see, it's got that really chunky step board right below. You got your 17-inch alloy wheels with BF Goodrich KO2s. If you know off-roading, you know how important and how sought after those wheels definitely are. It's got that extended wheel arches up front and in the rear. Of course, you got those black plastic landings all around. And as you can see, you're having a hard time getting out of the vehicle because of the extended ground clearance underneath. It's got 800 millimeters of wading depth as well, so it can easily go through floods, no problems. And yes, don't you think it's really beautiful, and especially all muddied up this way? This is how it's supposed to look, guys. It still looks similar to the Ford Ranger, especially the Ford Ranger Wildtrak, but you've got the FORD badge right across the grille. Really iconic. You definitely won't be thinking of this of any other truck. You got this performance LED headlamps, similar to that of the Ranger, but definitely looks more badass on the Raptor. You also got blacked out LED tail lamps. Got updated Ranger Raptor wheels, but what everyone's been looking for, BF Goodrich KO2s. You've got mounting holes right here, in case you want to work in the job site. There's got more mounting provisions right here on the side of the bed liner. The black Ford badge makes an appearance. And of course, you got tow hooks in the back if you want to help your friends out of a rut. So this is one really powerful truck. It's got two power outlets in the back. One is a 12-volt socket and a 230-volt power outlet. And of course, you got your assisted tailgate. And the Ranger Raptor can see you too, thanks to a 360-degree camera system. So we got updated Fox shocks and coil springs underneath, both in the front and the back. You can really feel it, especially going off-road. All right, so for just a quick look at the interior of the Ford Ranger Raptor, you get this nice, amazing leather-wrapped steering wheel and not an inch of piano black. I'm a happy camper right now. You got the black headliner, you've got this vanity mirror, but unfortunately it doesn't have any lights. That includes the passenger side as well, but you've got LED lighting inside, which is nice. You got this huge touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. You can actually check out the Ford safety system there as well for your automatic parking, and of course for your 360-degree camera system and advanced driving assist system. You got this shifter right here, right there at the bottom, automatic parking, automatic brake hold as well as this terrain management system for 4H, 2H, 4L, and 4A, and of course different terrain managements that you can actually choose between gravel, you can snow. Of course, Baja mode is available and makes another appearance. But check out these seats. These Raptor seats, Raptor Sport seats, are just out of this world. I mean, look at this. They're supportive, sure. They're nice and soft, but that red badging or orange badging, however you look at it, is just amazing. You got multiple speakers inside. Everything is well, it definitely is hard touch, but there's some sort of soft texture to the upper of the dash right there, which is nice. You got this metallic, oh, it looks like magnesium. Yep, definitely metallic paddle shifters right here. Overall, the interior is just next level for me. I mean, you've seen us review the Ford Ranger previously, but this one just takes it up a notch. You got power seats for both the passenger and the driver, and I can't wait to test it out as soon as I can get a hands on one. So for all you truck nuts out there, you got this aux panel right here for all your accessories. So right here in the back seat, not much has changed. It's still pretty comfortable. You got this divots right here on the front seat so that you can fit your knees, but you actually don't need that because it's still pretty comfortable. I can fit my legs and feet right there at the bottom, no problems. You've got this rear AC vents here, as well as 2 USB ports, but you wouldn't be needing that because you've got a 230-volt socket right here in the back. So if you plan to do some working from you know, wherever you need to be. You can bring your laptop and then no worries. Right, so right now we're gonna take the Ford Ranger Raptor, the next gen Ford Ranger Raptor, to its paces right around this really nice makeshift course in the Arca South Interactive Park. So under the hood, you've got a 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine that makes 210 PS and 500 Newton meters of torque. Now, it's mated to a 4-wheel drive system here with multiple terrain management system. You got mud, ruts, sand, you got rock crawl, and of course, my favorite, Baja mode. Right, so let us
start out all the way. Keep going.
Yeah.
Grease, okay, and then tap on the brake.
So the Ford Ranger Raptor just took that particular obstacle like a champ. We're in Baja mode. We floored that pedal to the metal, and it just, you know, took it in like it was nothing. I'm just gonna have to concentrate a little bit on driving here because it's getting a little chippy here. See you guys in a while. So apart from being a capable off-roading truck, the price is definitely very attractive. For 2,339,000 pesos, you get a really capable sports truck that you can bring out anywhere and anytime. What a thrilling ride. I mean, guys, the Ford Ranger Raptor has reached an iconic level in Philippine car culture, and Ford Philippines has introduced the all-new next generation right here. It's still as badass as it was before, but it comes with some extra features that I'm sure you're gonna love. Guys, watch out for a full review coming up soon on the Zigwheels.Philippines YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification icon so you wouldn't miss any of our videos. This is Roy Roberts from Zigwheels.Ph. Oh, see you guys next time.